All right, welcome back once again to Programming with C++. Today I want to look at comments. So what are comments? Comment is the practice of adding descriptive text within a code to explain its functionality, logical purpose. So comments are ignored by the compiler and do not affect the program's execution. They are useful for improving code readability and maintainability. So basically what comments do, it works, it's something for the programmer or anyone that would come to read or maintain the code, basically adding details or kind of description to what each line of code does. So types of commenting in C++. You have two types of commenting in C++. You have the single line comment and then a multi-line comment. So a single line comment is a kind of comment that works just on a line. And then a multi-line comment is the kind of comment that works on multiple lines. So let's go to our IDE and let's practice something here. So let's get rid of this here. So we have a commented. So let's say, let's declare variable of type. Let's say int 8. So this is a variable. So we add a comment by describing what this does by saying that so let's execute this and let's see. So then we come here. Let's compile and run. So that's so method. So let's add something. Let's say. So let's say should say C. So let's just say. Let's say. So let's say spirit. Just say this get that in. So let's see something here. So this comments, as said earlier, these are what we call single line comments in C++. Basically, they are comments that just affects single line. It doesn't affect multiple lines. So this comment is actually describing what is happening. It's basically telling us what this line of code is doing here. Just telling that this variable is supposed to store the value of age. And then we have another comment also, and it's telling us that this line of code, what it does is that it helps us set a value for the age. And then we have another comment here that says that this outputs the value. So let me add another line of code here. Let's say cout age. So let me also comment on this. So this is let's say so let's compile and let's see what happens. So just use enter age, let's say 45. Let's say 45. So you realize that this comments are ignored by the compiler. It doesn't execute them. So this is for the programmer to say, so that anytime if you have to come back to your codes, you don't have to start from the top to read and then see this one's explain to you what each of your codes does. So this is for single line comment. So let's look at multi-line comment. So what multi-line comment does is that it actually allows multiple lines to be made comment. So if we say we are saying that from our slides, we said the multi-line comment uses this, so slash for that, yeah, so a backslash with a star. So let's go again and say no slash with a star. So let's see, so a backslash with a star. So we say this code student student concerts. So in order to close the multi-line from in order to end it, you just do this. So anything that comes inside this is considered as a comment, basically adding description to what the code is doing. Anything that the programmer wants to communicate to anybody reading the code or maintaining a code. Thank you very much. So that's all for comments. So with multi-line comments, say we use a backslash with a star and we close it with a star and a backslash. So everything that comes inside becomes a comment. So we have it on multiple lines, and the single comment only works for just one side. So let's delete this and let's see what happens. So let's see if there's an error here because it doesn't know about this. In this, so the can just works. So realize that nothing comes. Okay, none of the comments run by the compiler. Okay, thank you very much. That's all for now.